I'm going to show you the best way to do online arbitrage, how to source and how to actually find profitable products, because I was literally just sourcing. You know, I shot my video for today, and you are seeing this video a couple of days later, because I do not want, you know, to spoil the deals for people that are actually going to buy those products. But I'm going to show you the exact strategy, a strategy that helped me find a ton of deals. And I don't know if I'll purchase deals from this specific deal, but this is the strategy. So you guys know this is my target list. Okay, so this is a list of promotions that are currently going on online, and I'm going to tell you how it actually helps. By the way, if you want to get this, it's a little bit over $1 a day. You get my VAs to send you deals every single day that you can source. More information, the link in the description. And for example, today I have 869 deals that are available that I can source, right? So the first thing that you should actually do is do a lot of storefront stalking, okay? And I'm going to tell you why, okay? It is going to, all this is going to make sense pretty soon, okay? So you need to do a lot of storefront stalking from stores that are actually known that you know are good storefronts. Okay, you need to source stores that are doing online arbitrage and that pretty much know what they do. Okay, you do not want to source noobs or people that do not make any money, because this is not going to work. Okay, so great way to do it. You find the Nike product, for example, the Nike Blazers, a lot of online arbitrage sellers. The only thing is that the Nike Blazers usually are not a good products. They get a lot of returns because and quick tip, you see this foam right there. For whatever reason, the Nike Blazers get a ton of return because customers think that they are fake because of the exposed foam on the tongue of the shoe. Okay, so stay away from Blazers, stay away from Nike Blazers, just so you know. But yeah, so we are going to start storefront stalking. So you want to storefront stalking, you want to do a lot of storefront stalking, and I'm going to explain to you guys why. Okay, so let's do some storefront stalking. The more you do storefront stalking, the more and more you are going to find products. You are going to see products. And I do not think that this guy has the products that I do have in mind, but everything is going to make sense soon. So the more you do storefront stalking, the more stuff you are going to see. And sometimes you are going to see products that you are not going to be able to find profitably, okay? Until you end up into a sale. And it was the case for me. It was kind of the case for me, okay? And I'm not going to say it was the case. It was kind of the case for me. Lately, I did, because I found this product profitably last year when I was doing a lot of storefront stalking. And I just got back into, you know, I've been back in the US for a little bit over a week now. And I just started doing a lot of storefront stalking again. And I stumbled upon products that I found in the past. It was Quay sunglasses, okay, such as this one, okay, and I was not able to find them profitably anymore. I had a loop last year to find them profitably, and I was not able to find them profitably anymore, but I was seeing them on a lot of people's storefront, okay, and so I knew that, you know, it's one of the websites that my VAs actually track, okay. Quay.com is one of the websites that my VA actually track, and so, you know, by going into the target list, I noticed, and let me just show you that today, and the promotion is from March 29 to March 31st, okay? And by the way, you can get, once again, this spreadsheet sent to you every single day with new deals, just for a little bit over $1 a day, link in the description, and more explanation in the video. Watch the video, please, to understand what the target list is. I'm not going to explain this here, but yeah, so by checking the target list, I noticed that there's a promotion right now on Quay.com, okay, with 30% off. And usually, if a promotions start to get interesting when they are above 30% off, okay, under that, you're not going to find a ton of product. Above that, if you get towards 50%, it's amazing, all right? But 30% is when it actually starts to get good, all right? So, yeah, let's try to find those, or maybe those, you know, the Quay Australia. And I do not know if they are going to be profitable, but this is how you pretty much find profitable products. I haven't checked, okay? I'm literally, and I was not sharing my screen with you. I'm literally like, I found this product and I said, you know what, let me just make a video. I found this deal, let me just make a video. It was literally the end of the target list, because I've been looking at the target list, sourcing everything, launching search and all that stuff for a little while. So let's just get into here and try to find this specific pair of sunglasses. Okay, so it's the Quay Australia High Key. Okay, and so I'm going to look for Australia High Key, and we're going to see if we can make them profitable. And I do not know if we can, but let's try to figure it out. So let's look into all sunglasses. Maybe we can find them this way, because it does not look like their search is working. So I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to do this. Boom, and we're going to try to find them on their website. Here we go. And try to manufacture our margins with the promotion that we have right there. So they are at $85. So it's going to be a little bit hard to make them profitable, okay? Except if we get these that are $119, okay? These, we can make them profitable. I do not think that the price is sustainable, but yeah, it could actually be. It could actually, nah, it's not sustainable. It's definitely not sustainable. Let's look at the keeper graph real quick. Yeah, no, it's not sustainable, but you get the idea. It's just really to show you the idea of what the best way to actually do online arbitrage, you can to find profitable products. You need to do a lot of storefront stalking to get an idea of what is selling. Yes, the big thing with storefront stalking is that, you know, all the work you put in storefront stalking today may not actually pay today, okay? But it is going to eventually pay. Yes, you are going to find some product, of course. Well, you know, if you spend 10 hours a day doing storefront stalking every single day, you do it for a month, and you've never found a profitable product that you can buy right now, you are probably doing something wrong, okay? This is not what I'm saying. But what I'm trying to say is that maybe 50-60% of the benefit that you get from doing storefront stalking is not going to pay right now, but the gratification is going to be delayed, because you are going to start building an experience of what sell, what brands is selling. And, you know, just, it's pretty much the same thing as what I was showing you with these, you know. And actually, you know what, I'm just looking at, I'm looking at the listing again, and actually I just noticed something, and I just did this by mistake. We can probably make it profitable because it's $65, okay? $65 times 0.7. We can probably make them profitable on some listings, so it's 45, 50. We get 92.8 with the cashback, so we get them at 42.23. It's going to be hard to make it profitable. Yeah, we need to get them at under, actually it's super close, okay? Because I said 42.53, right? Let's just call it 43. It's 27% return on investment, so yeah, that makes a little bit more sense. You can probably manufacture your margins a tiny bit more, but that's the idea, okay? Do a ton of storefront stalking to first find some profitable products, but also to build that experience of what is selling on Amazon. So whenever you see a promotion for those products, for those specific brands, you're gonna see this happening. Exact same thing, you know. The exact same thing was happening with, how is it called? Maglite. You know, Maglite right now, there's 40% off. Up to 40% off of select item with the code FS40. So, which is just right there, okay, which is this line on the target list for today. Same thing, you know, like a lot of people are wondering, you can actually get those products profitably, and you just need to wait for the right sale to get them profitably, okay? So if you are actually monitoring all those sales and you are doing a lot of storefront stalking, your storefront stalking is going to pay, because, you know, all the products that you found in the past are eventually going to become to be on sale at the point where it is profitable. All those products that you're not able to find profitably, but just build your experience. The more you do it, the more you're going to find products, and the more you're going to know what is selling on Amazon. And one day you may come up across a sale for the products that you were actually looking for, and it's the exact same thing. So get the target list. You know, I think it's a no-brainer, a little bit over $1 a day to get a team of VA to build this multiple hours a day for you to remove all the deals that are expired, all that stuff, which is right there. So it makes a lot of sense in my opinion. All right, so yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, and yeah, thank you for watching.